Yes, that's right.
Approximately 253 million people are visually impaired. They often receive less attention for their health, education, and social well-being. Through an interview with the Malaysian Association for the Blind, most of the visually impaired are trained to be massage therapists as their career option.
And for the visually impaired, their access to knowledge is by reading Braille books. However, the production of Braille books is very hectic and costly in its process. The accessibility to Braille books is very limited because the visually impaired community is highly dependent on their teachers for guidance.
Modernization of Braille books must be achieved. Now, imagine if the visually impaired will be carrying a Braille iPad instead of the heavy conventional Braille books that we are currently using. The BraillePad will provide the visually impaired with more opportunities to self-learn. Hence, our team looked into additive manufacturing. We will translate the Braille language into an STL file using online software. The STL file would then be printed in polylactic acid, PLA.
Our team has translated the book Tortoise and Hare into this 3D printed single page of Braille. Users can just slide in the page and start reading. BraillePad also comes with a Bluetooth equipped voice function. The voice system is controlled by an Arduino chip, allowing users to upload different audio books. With BraillePad, users can read with both sense of touch and also sense of hearing. Hence, giving the BraillePad unique selling points of highly customizable, portable, and being super innovative.
Our target audience includes students with visual impairment, educators, social workers, as well as governmental agencies and non-governmental organizations. As we are targeting niche market, innovation is extremely needed and competition is extremely low. There are 3 phases in our business model. First phase operates on a subscription basis. It offers clients the option to subscribe to STL files provided by us. Hence, phase 1 will be fully online and have maximum return with minimum cost. The second phase includes opening a physical concept bookstore. Our unique selling point for the bookstore is having a visually impaired friendly area selling our BraillePads. Additionally, the service of customizing STL files and 3D printing for clients to print items like birthday cards on the spot is available. Third phase is business expansion. Our final goal is to have at least 1 store in Singapore and all states in Malaysia.
All of us deserve equal educational opportunities, and the same goes to the visually impaired. To all visually impaired, let us help you today, and tomorrow we will achieve greater heights together. This may just be a temporary endeavor, but I call this an education.